How's it going, guys? This is Mitch with SC Wake. Today I'll be showing you how to do an install on one of our OEM PWC kits. Tools you'll be needing is highest percentage of rubbing alcohol in a clean microfiber to clean the surface, and then we also like to use the slice tool to score the paper backing on the material, and then we also provide you guys with a map for the layout of the parts on the PWC. First I'll start out by getting my microfiber nice and wet with alcohol. Then I'll wipe the surface off thoroughly until the alcohol flashes, and then it doesn't hurt to go back over with a nice dry microfiber just to ensure that your surface is perfectly clean. It doesn't matter where you start. I prefer to start at the back and work my way forward. Slicing your pad down the center, fold it back a ways on each side. Center up your pad and slowly work your way over towards each side. Once the pad's installed, I like to remove the labels so I know they're down. Some areas I like to use the reference points. So like these, I'll go off of the link hooks